My name is Karthik Soundararajan, Managing Partner of Adna Automation. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. At Adna Automation, we are displaying a robotic welding system with the Fronius welding controller. We are demonstrating how a weld is performed for industrial automation solution. Fronius machine here is integrated with the FANUC robot. We are displaying the robotic welding using the touch sensing technology, where when there is an offset in the welding path, here you can see the robot takes a touch sensing and does the weaving and does the welding to through arc seam tracking. So Fronius we have been using for a very long time. It is an excellent machine, very good weld quality, and customers are very satisfied with the Fronius machine. We at Adna provide robotic solutions which include robotic welding, robotic palletizing, machine tending, robotic painting, and robotic deburring. So all the robotic solutions we provide at Adna to all different segment and different customers in various industries. We also do assembly automation, which includes conveyor-based assembly as well as indexing table-based assembly. Apart from that, we are also into the home automation segment at Adna Automation. So if any industrial automation needs are there for the customers, we at Adna provide the optimized and good automation solution.